ಜನಪ್ರಿಯ ಫ್ಯಾಷನ್ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದ ಬಹುದೊಡ್ಡ ಹೆಸರಾಗಿರೋ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಫ್ಯಾಷನ್ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯು ಡಿಸ್ನಿ ಜೊತೆಗಿನ 9ನೇ ವರ್ಷದ ಸಹಭಾಗಿತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಲಿಲೋ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಥೀಮ್ನ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಕಿಡ್ಸ್ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅದ್ದೂರಿಯಾಗಿ ಆರಂಭಿಸಿದೆ. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಫೀನಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಏಷ್ಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಭ್ರಮದಿಂದ ಆರಂಭಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದು, ಈ ಸಮಾರಂಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಜನಪ್ರಿಯ ನಟಿಯಾದ ನೇಹಾ ಧೂಪಿಯಾ ಅವರು ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ನಿ ಲಿಲೋ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಉದ್ಘಾಟನಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಆಕರ್ಷಕ ಫ್ಯಾಷನ್ ಶೋ ನಡೆಯಿತು. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಪೇಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿನ್ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆಯನ್ನು ಆಯೋಜಿಸಲಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ತಮ್ಮ ಕಲ್ಪನಾ ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಕಲೆಯ ಮೂಲಕ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸಿದರು. ಈ ಆಕರ್ಷಕ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಯು 14 ನಗರಗಳ 160ಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಸ್ಟೋರ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಯಲಿದೆ. ಈ ಕುರಿತು ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಫ್ಯಾಷನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷ ಮತ್ತು ಉಪಮುಖ್ಯ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಾಹಕರಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ಸುಮಿತ್ ಚಂದನಾ ಅವರು ಮಾತನಾಡಿ, ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಟುಂಬಗಳಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಸಂತೋಷಕರ ಅನುಭವಗಳನ್ನು ಒದಗಿಸುವುದು ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನವಾಗಿದೆ. ಈ ವರ್ಷವೂ ಡಿಸ್ನಿ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸಹಯೋಗ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು, ಜನಪ್ರಿಯ ಲೀಲೋ ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಪಾತ್ರವು ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಕಿಡ್ಸ್ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ಗೆ ಹೊಸ ಸಂಭ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಒದಗಿಸಿದೆ. ನಾವು ಮುಂದೆಯೂ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ವಿಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಂಚೂಣಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೇವೆ ಎಂದು ತಿಳಿಸಿದರು.
Love with you is real, I have no doubt.
Kind of options to buy within a certain category. So, and they have subcategories. So for women, they'll have athleisure. For women, they'll have, for the office-going women, they'll have a different kind of collection. For, pre-teens and teens, they'll have a different collection. So there's something in there for everyone. You can literally pick up your shopping bag, and me as a family, or like, my husband, my kids, and me, all of us can go in and shop, and we'll all come back with our hands full and even our pockets full still, because we won't have such a huge debt.
How are you going to recommend your fans?
Art, conventional storytelling, which fashion needs to bring in, and of course, making it look great, making it affordable, making it accessible via the Max network, making sure that the designs are in place. There's a fit check for all different kinds of kids as well, because it's not, today the kid isn't the child that we're dressing. Not dressing according to us. They have a mind of their own, so they want to go out there. The amount of options that they have within one collection. I mean, sometimes as a consumer, and I'd like to see myself as that, and I'd like to see myself as a mom, because I have 2 children. I don't know where to start buying, and I don't know where to stop buying, because the options are so many. And I really think that when it comes to the price point, you don't want to spend such a large amount of money on your child's clothing, because you also want to make, they're ever so growing, their moods are changing, there's so much spillage that they have on their clothes, everything gets spoiled. So you want to make sure that it's affordable, you want to make sure it's fashionable, you want to make sure that somewhere if your child is trying to tell a story or believes in a character, they shouldn't be left out. And I feel like the combination of a parent, a child and Max Fashion is by far so beautiful the minute they wear it. And I feel like the kids today were walking around so happy. A part of that narrative was also the characters that they were wearing.